Sir, hindi namin kayo reaction, sir. Si former President FDR ay nag-resign as special envoy.
Yes, I received his last night. I had a copy of his resignation. First, I'd like to thank him for helping me and being of the service to the nation even at his age. Second, I take his advice, but you know I have my own way of assessing it. For example, I don't know if I have not heard, but it was stated there in one newspapers about the extrajudicial killing. He knows that I do not do it, and we do not do it. He was once upon a time the chief of the PNP. Hindi na ginagawa yan. So, I think of tangent yan. Pero sabihin mo na may mga patayan palagi, that is a part of my, you know, when I ran for president, I promised you, my covenant with the people was this: I will stop corruption, and I will do it. And I said, I will stop drugs, and I said, I will do it. And third is that I will stop criminality so that we can move on with our lives. I will do it. So, pasensya na lang. If you do not like my commitment, which to me was a sacred promise made during the last elections, ito ang gagawin ko. At nanalo ako, palagay ko naman sa rason na binigay ko. And I will do it until the last poser is out of the streets and the last black drug lord in this country is exterminated. Corruption will stop. And I have heard two desponding reports about the Makati police na nangungutong dyan sa mga turista. Hirap na nga ako pupunta ng ibang bayan, walang tulog, at nakikiusap doon ng tulong nila, at nasanay mapalago natin ang ating trade relations. Itong mga pulis na ito, you better stop or I will stop you. You interpret it the way you like. But do not ever think na may ranggo ka, na may armas ka, and you feel invincible. Sinabi ko na sa lahat sa gobyerno, lalo na yung mga police, stop. So that I am ordering the police right now to relieve him, place him under suspension, and initiate summary dismissal. Ayaw ko na yung matagal na summary dismissal. Or if you want, at your convenience, so sino itong inspector na ito, you better resign. Because I said, I repeat to all of you, kayong mga, either huminto kayo o huhintuin ko kayo. Pamili kayo dyan sa dalawa.
Sir, what are your thoughts about the...
Hindi, teka muna, ito, yung ibang police na bright, mamili kayo. Sipain ko kayo sa publiko o mamili kayo. Basilan or hulog. Naubusan na ako ng sundalo, kailangan ko na ang pulis tumulong. Magligpit na kayo, mga lahat kayo, para sinabi ko sa inyo, huminto ka. Pati yung sa customs, there was the story about the Deputy for Intelligence. I've yet to talk to Colonel Faildon, but I have instructed my aide to relay. I want him suspended out immediately. Suspended and out immediately. Kung ayaw niya umalis sa customs, ako ang papaalis sa kanya.
Colonel Faildon, sir?
No.
Deputy for...
I have to communicate to the chief. Faildon is the chief, is the commissioner of. May doon, Deputy Chief for Intelligence something. Gusto ko, totoo matindi, tanggalin mo muna at imbestigan. But all ba kaso ngayon sa ano, pag taga-gobyerno, kaya umaabuso itong taga-gobyerno kasi alam nila, lalaroan nila ang proseso. Immediate. I want them immediately taken out of the office and ang NBI to stop all or at least relent in some of the cases. Marami naman tayo, may CIS kami, police. I want the NBI now to focus on graft and corruption. Yun na lang muna trabaho nila. Huwag na yung mga ano, kasi minsan ito mga NBI isa pa rin. Kayo, there was a time sa NBI na tinatanggal nga na sa police, nilagay sa NBI para hindi makapag-communicate. And just to find out na pati sila pala, they were selling cell phones inside the NBI for about 500,000 para lang makalaro ng droga yung... So yan, trabaho ninyo. Ang mga NBI, maghinto kayo dyan sa... Umalis kayo dyan sa droga, umalis kayo dyan sa ano. Concentrate on graft and corruption sa gobyerno.
Sir, balikan lang si President here, sir. Just to be clear, sir, walang tension between you. You don't take offense sa
Of
mga
course
articles.
not. I was correct. The only problem is, wala pa yung papel sa akin. I cannot approve, ayaw ko magsalita. I cannot approve or disapprove anything that it is not on my table. Of course, I have my misgivings. But those were misgivings. Ngayong papel na magdating sa akin, dadaan na yun ng maybe sa kay Gina Lopez, sa recommendation sa DNR. Pollution yan, climate change. Dadaan na yan doon sa legal. Because there might be some progressive clauses there na hindi natin alam after a few years ganito ka na. Now, we are just trying to kakaumpisa pa lang natin. Nagyaya ako ng maraming mga investors, tatayo ako ng industrial estates. There will be a lot of smoke there and pollution work. Titignan ko lang na meron akong leeway, an elbow room to move because the treaty now that is being signed or passed around for signing is binding. Noong unang treaty, non-binding eh. Dito ngayon, pag membro ka nan, pag sinabi binding, baski na ayaw mo, ikong butuhan ng lahat na ganito yan. Wala ka. O kasabihin ng lahat, ito yan. Tapos ikaw naman gusto. So I have to study the matter very carefully. It's maybe in the Senate, I was just giving my misgivings about baka hanggang dito ka lang. Kailangan, sabi ko nga, the irony to it all, yung mga industrial countries, dumating na sila dyan. Tayo kasi colonized tayo. Ang naghawak sa atin, Espanyol, for 400 years, pati Amerikano, 50 years. Ulipon tayo, mga ulipin sa Tagalog yan. Ang development natin hanggang pahinahina lang. Pero talaga ito abot na makahabol sa kanila, una sila. While they were conquering the countries of other lands, tayo, na-stymie tayo sa ating bayan. Kasi sinabi ko, I'm just being careful. It doesn't mean to say that I do not want typhoons and storms to come to planet Earth every day. So, yung akin nagsasalita na ako, may opinion. As a lawyer, pero as president, wala pa. Kasi wala pa nga dumating eh.
Pero you will be considered silent, sir.
No. I will follow what my advisors would tell me. If Gina Lopez would tell, if the National Pollution Control says it, it's good. And if the legal advisor says that I should sign, then I will sign.
How about FDR, sir? Will you still consult him in the future?
Yes, of course. If he cares to listen.
Sir, in his...
Hindi naman siguro sabihin na nag-resign siya as a special envoy na hindi na ako makapagtanong sa kanya.
Sir, he also had a column basically expressing concerns over your foreign policy, yung
That
magiging
is my-
relationship natin with the
That
US. What are your
Ang
thoughts on
akin
this?
is matter of honor. Di kami nagkaintindihan dyan. It is all right for America to criticize me sa extrajudicial killing. Talagang maraming namamatay ngayon kasi ngayon nagtatrabaho ang pulis. Noon kasi hindi nagtatrabaho, nakihalo, nakisawsaw pa sa droga. That's one thing different. Everybody should realize that. Noon walang hulihan kasi yung pulis, mga generals, kasali na. Pati yung mga ninja, kasali na. O di walang hulihan, di walang namatay. Eh ngayon, may utos ako sa kanila, trabaho ninyo yan, trabaho ninyo. At huwag kayong magkamali pumasok dyan. Tang-ina, tatapusin ko talaga kayo. Sinabi ko na sa inyo. Nung bakit maraming patay, kasi ngayon maraming nagtatrabaho. Nung paano magtrabaho na pati mga pulis nandyan? See? So, ang ibig kong sabihin, ang diferensya ko sa Amerika ganito. They were criticizing me for extrajudicial killing. Na wala naman silang nakita na talagang kinatay ng pulis dyan. At hindi naman siguro lahat. Yung iba, karamihan niya may inkwentro. And yet, they lump it in one can and says it's all extrajudicial killing. Okay lang. Ang ayaw ko sa Amerika ganito, ang tratamento nila sa atin, o sa akin, kung ayaw ninyong makisali, parang sa Bisaya, patay gutom. Ewan ko anong Tagalog yan. Pero the such word, patay gutom. Kasi every time ang Amerika kung magsabi, hinto ka dyan, Duterte, from lahat na. Alam ko pro-Western si militar, doon nag-aral yan eh. You must remember that Ramos finished his sa West Point. Talagang ayaw niya hindi sabihin na, ayaw niya makipag-away. Ito pero ganito, ako iba naman. Iba si Ramos, iba ako. Kasi baliwala siguro sa kanya yan. Pero kung sabihin ng Amerika, kuminto kayong patayan dyan pag hindi, wala na kayong aid, wala na kayong tulong, para mo akong ginawang aso, nakatali sa poste, na magtapon ka ng pan, ilalayo mo talaga para masakal itong aso na ito kakakagat na hindi naman makabitaw sa tali. Yung kung magsalita sila ganun palagi, we will cut aid, we will suspend everything. Sabi you go to hell. Ang tratamento mo sa amin, mga Pilipino, patay gutom. Nakinabang na nga kayo sa bayan namin, 50 years kayo na umupo dito, you lived out with the fat of the land, and you have the goal to say that. Kaya yan ang ko sa Amerikano. Kaya lumayo ako. Kasi nabaski na gutom siguro ako, I might be able to just eat 2 days or 1 day a day, but if you try to keep on rubbing on the dignity of the person. Kaya wala kayo, Amerikano. Wala na ako sa... Maybe Ramos does not like it. Ibahin mo si Ramos, ibahin mo ako. Kasi naman ako nag-aral kung saan-saan. Dito lang ako. Local boy lang ako. Di naman ako military. Ko, mayor lang, naging presidente. Wag mo akong ganunin kasi talagang babastusin kita. Kaya binastos ko talaga silang lahat. Kasi pag ganun ang tingin mo sa akin, yun lang. Huwag na kayong lumayo yung mga commentators about that. Diyan lang. Ayaw nila tanggapin. Kaya nilang tanggapin yan. Sila. Okay. If they can swallow it, fine. Problem is, hindi naman silang presidente ako. Tapos pagsabayan mo ako ng ganon, bastusin mo ako palagi every time you criticize me, from the president down to State Department to EU and to the human rights, you go to hell. Takot din nyo ako makulong. Hindi kulong. Well, I can rot in prison. But I will never allow that ganun yung bayan ko.
Sir,
Kung gusto mo, kayo, ako kaya.
Sir, you found an ally in Malaysian Prime Minister Najib that like he said before, he's not running the South Pacific. A day before he left for China.
Yes, they were. They
Did you
talked.
get
Yes, because we had to agree on the agenda. But foremost of which was really the situation in the Molucca Strait. Pati yung kidnapping. Kasi dyan naman sa hulog, di kidnap, hindi naman namimili ng Pilipino eh. Indonesian, Malaysian. So dumating ang panahon na kailangan kami mag-usap.
But it has nothing to do with Razak's trip to China. It started yesterday.
No, we never bothered to. The purpose for which he's going there was never discussed. At saka hindi tayo makialam. It would be highly improper of me to ask the officer, what's the purpose? Hindi naman sila nagtanong kung pumunta nga ako nung doon. Because everybody wants to be friendly with everybody.
But
I agree with the president that Ramos, when early on said, it's good to be at peace with everybody. Friends, pero kung ako insultuhin, okay lang yan sa akin. Pero pag ginanon mo ako, para mo ako na every time mag-criticize ka sa sabihin mo, putulin namin yung aid. Para sabihin namin, patayin ka namin sa gutom. Sanay naman tayo sa kamote.
Sir, Najib is also anti-US.
I do not know if he is actually. I never discussed his ideological drift with what we were really discussing was the deteriorating peace and order in that part of our country. And what is really embarrassing to me is ang sanctuary ng mga rebelde nandyan sa hulo sa ating jurisdiction. So that makes it doubly worrisome. Pangit kasi yung aming mga kababayan dyan dinadala.
So would you agree or would you na Abu Sayyaf is not just only Philippines lang, but there are also other foreign.
I think so, and that's the next problem. Actually, I said it is coming around, and I would like to warn the country na we have this looming problem ahead, but that would be, I do not want to cause unnecessary alarm, but it's going to be one of the most serious problems that this generation will face.
But records showed before, sir, that there are over 126,000 unchecked crossing between borders between Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia.
That
so what
is-
do you think we should do about it?
Well, I said we will talk about it. Border control,
Yeah.
border crossing,
Yes, po.
and maybe a joint military and police operations.
Which will all be discussed when you visit
Yes,
Malaysia next week.
that is my. I had a talk with Widodo during my visit to Indonesia. Nagkausap na kami ni Widodo. Okay siya sa lahat. Ako mas okay. Nauna pang okay ko eh. No, I have to talk to Najib.
Where does that put Asanal now?
Wala siya dyan. It's all national interest. National interest only ako lang, so, lalo na sa foreign policy. The Constitution says that foreign policy is vested on the President alone. That is part of the foreign policy. Yes, ma'am.
US Sapo rifle sale sa Philippines, wala na daw pong bentahan. Sana tayo kukuha ng mga armas, sir. Mr. President.
Hindi na tayo bintahan nila?
Yes, po.
Piso.
So, as a US senator, said he will oppose or block the sale of arms.
26,000 na units, sir, ng rifles.
Tapos, sir,
Sus, Maria Josep. Yan lang? Yan lang ipang...
Mr. President,
Sir, because of alleged human rights violations.
Yes, sir.
That's why.
Yan lang pagtakot niya sa akin, hindi siya pabili ng armas. Karaming di bomba dito.
sir, sabi po ni Director General Bato, China na lang daw po or, okay, The China
remember what the Russian, the diplomat said. Come to Russia, we all have here anything you need.
So they're ready with the 26,000, 27,000 as of right now.
Pati misil siguro. Ano sa?
Sir, samantalang namin, sir, kukuha na lang natin, sir, ano ang view mo sa nuclear energy in as far as Philippine setting is concerned, both sa power supply and sa arms, sir?
It is not yet an extremist. You know, wala pa talaga the danger zone that we will die if there's no energy because it runs the machines. Lahat na nakikita mo, langis yan. Ilaw, lahat yan. Lahat ito, hindi ito nagagawa kung walang simento, pati lahat. But we are not in that danger. But when the going gets rough, maybe someday, not during my presidency. Huwag muna ngayon kasi we have to come up with safeguards. Really, really tight safeguards to assure that there will be no disastrous if there is a nuclear leak or explosion somewhere in the nuclear reactors that we will be building. It has to be studied carefully by Congress and by the Filipino people. For after all, pag may leak yan, pag lahat tayo tatamaan dyan. And it's our country, you should remember that.
So don't you ever rest? It's supposed to be long weekend.
What do you mean?
Hindi, rest meaning to
Akala ko in peace.
Hindi naman in peace. I mean, you have not stopped working since ano.
When I go, base my just small dito sa tabi ng
Not at libingin ng mga bayani?
Sos Mario Josep. Kanila na yan, pagtatalunan pa natin yan.
Ayaw niyo, sir, ayaw niyo doon. Ayaw niyo.
Ayaw niyo?
The greatest honor that a man can have or can had in his lifetime is to be considered very aside from where I came from. Walang pinakamas honor para sa akin kundi itatabi ako sa nanay pati tatay ko.
You said no state.
Ito, andyan ang malaki. Saan mo ilagay dyan? Parang ulo, headrest. Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Lagay mo ako sa kanto. O, dito sa pamungkin ko. It will be as a matter of fact, it will be a terrible thing to be buried in any other place. Para sa akin. Personally, itong akin. Wala akong inaano na tao.
Sir, a brief lang. A few days ago, you said you ordered the dismantling of all checkpoints. Ano na po ang ano na po ang status ng lawless
I am
violence
referring to yung permanent checkpoints. Kasi yung gano'n ayoko. Pero yung checkpoint na mobile, either police or military, especially if they have information that this guy is coming this way or passing through, at mag-checkpoint sila precisely to stop that criminal that is not covered. Yung ayaw ko yung lahat.
So meaning to say, kasali na ang task force na ba with the
Nagtupin sa task force yan eh. Hindi naman police yan eh. Sinabi ko, police, I never said army. Yeah, you're not listening.
State of lawless violence is still in effect.
Huh?
State of national emergency.
Yes, it is so that I can utilize the military as if they are also guardians of law and order. Kasi ang military kasi external threats. Then there is the threat to the state. So internal. Ngayon, state of lawlessness. Kita mo naman. Shabu is alive. Kaya nga sabi ko dito sa senador na to, Bright, kung extrajudicial killing, paano pati ako, may namatay na ng police, kapod. So I lose 2 or 3 soldiers or policemen a day.
Sir, Manny Pacquiao is gearing up for his fight, sir. Any message po? Manny Pacquiao.
I always pray for him. Alam ni Manny yan. Ang text ko, because every time he fights, at manana si Manny, nakikinig man sa, you'd always say, may dalawang ticket ako, mayor, para sa iyo. Kasi kaibigan kami niya noon pa. Hindi pa yan siya sikat. Hindi pa, siya sinabi ko lang, man, wala talaga akong panahon. Wala akong pera noon. Noon, sabi ko, wala akong pera. Sabi ko pa, dasal na lang ako. I pray for you.
You think it's a lack of
Victory.
strength?
Baka. Hindi naman akong boxing expert eh. But I hope him, if it does happen, sana mas madalian. Kasi pagka it goes beyond 7-8, pagod na yan. Saka wala na masyado. I hope it comes within the first 2 rounds. Kung masapo ni Manny yan, down yan. Sigurado yan. Kasi si Marquez noon, tinalo siya ni Marquez, pero kita mo, pag nadaanan ng, alam mo bakit, nung hindi pa yan champion si Manny Pacquiao, you remember dyan sa likod ng Almendras Gym, may boxing kay Nonoy Garcia noon, the late Nonoy Garcia. Di ba may boxing, ano dyan, ring dyan na ginawa? Yung mga taga Cotabato na yung na sparring, sabi nila pagka si Manny Pacquiao ang kalaban mo, talagang pagkatapos katawan mo bugbog sarado. Paski saan ka matamaan, yung joint mo para daw gumaganon eh. Hindi pa siya champion, pero alam ko na that he has that miracle knockout punch. Pag madaanan ka niyan, bagsak ka talaga.
Is it the southpaw?
I don't think so. It's more of because they study every time they fight. So pag-aralan yung it's more of talagang malakas. God-given. It's a God-given gift. Yung iba,
Nagpapatalo pa si Jem, sir.
wala kayo kasi sinisulo mo, tumahimik ka na dyan.
Kaya nga, Jem,
Sir,
Give way to the others.
Sir, Mr. President, comment niyo po dun sa pagkakadakot dun sa apat na bakit sa susunod. Comment niyo po dun sa ano, kasi last Friday po, merong 4 na suspect ang Davao Bawi na ng pulis sa pagkakamis.
4 more.
4 more, aside from the ones na dati. On the day that you
Yes, I congratulate the military and the police.
CID.
Hindi ako makapag... the CIDG is the law enforcement. So, but as a state of lawlessness, the military can just go ahead and arrest them. But I'm saying that it's a joint effort of the lahat na. CIDG is police. So, it's just a bureau under the police yung CIDG. So,
Then medyo malabo po kasi kanina. I-clarify pa lang po, Mr. President, tinatanggap niyo po ba you accept the resignation of FDR?
they don't resign na siya eh.
So, okay.
I hereby tender. Oh, kasi sabi niya, nagawa ko na yung gusto mo ko. Parang nagawa ko na yung gusto mong paggawa sa akin. Parang nauna siya to break the ice. Use the word. I have broken the ice between, kasi hindi nga medyo maganda. Siya yung expeditionary force ko doon. Sabi niya na ibigay ko na sa nagawa ko na yung inutos mo sa akin at ako yung magpahinga. Then he rattled off yung climate change, yung gano'n. And he ended it with we have to protect Mother Earth. I could not agree with him. I could not disagree with him. Tama yan, pero ang sabi ko, ang akin is ayaw kong